Hi, this is Lee Garrett and welcome to another weekly tip video. We're going to take a look at one of our favourite third-party applications today at Screencasts Online, and that's Drafts. Created by Greg Pierce over at Agile Tortoise, Drafts is a universal application that's simple in nature but can be as complex as you need. In Drafts, you enter text into a blank note, and from there you can either keep the text and use Drafts as a note repository, or you can use the power of Drafts to send that text to other applications in a variety of formats. It can be automated, customized to your liking, and we've covered it in several videos, the most recent of which is show 913, which covered Drafts on the Mac. So if you want to know more about Drafts first, then you may wish to take a look at some of our back catalogue, although it's not crucial for this video. Now today we're going to look at one feature of Drafts in some detail, and that's tagging. Now, this is particularly useful if you are using Drafts as a full note repository because it allows you to file and retrieve your drafts easily. Let's check out the simplest tag first of all, and that's the flag. Now, you can flag your notes quite simply in a couple of ways. First, if you're in the middle of a draft, you can come up and tap the tag button, then the flag over here on the left. And there we are, that's done. Let's tap the tag again. And then on this button, which brings up a list of our drafts in the sidebar, I can see on the right, we've got a flag there. Now we're currently in the inbox, which is this button here. But to the right of that is a container that's going to show all of our flagged items. And sure enough, there's our newly flagged draft there. Now I know you can't see the flag that should be there on the right for all of them. That's a visual bug, which does occur sometimes on this particular version. It's going to resolve itself shortly though. Now another way to flag an item, if I come back to the inbox, is to simply swipe across to the left, tap on flag. The flag appears, and if I tap on the flagged container once more, there it is there. And that little bug is also clear now. You can see all of the drafts there have their flags. Let's take a look at applying some tags now. So I'll come to the inbox, and then down here to this draft, which just spells out a little process that can be used for organizing my projects. Now, I like to have a tag in my note-taking system called process or processes, and it's a quick way of finding those particular process-orientated notes. So I'll come up to the tag button. Then in the text field below, I'll type in the name of the tag, processes, and press return. And we can see that tag has been added to the right. Now I'll bring the sidebar back across, and let's tag another draft. So Uno scores here. My family loves playing Uno, and we're going to start a new tournament this week. So I'll tap on tag again. And because we just added a new tag, we can see that one has been suggested, but I'm going to type in a new one. So family. There. And you can have multiple tags. You don't have to have just one. So I'll add in game night. And you can also see there, it doesn't have to be limited to just one word. You can see game night has a space in between the words. And if I just add in a wrong tag here, so let's put in business. I've just put that in to show you that if you want to delete a tag you've put in, just tap on the cross to the right. And as I delete each one here, they get re-added as potential options for adding in again there.
That's just a quick preview of one of this week's Apple-related tutorials from Screencasts Online. Screencasts Online is your premium source of Apple-related video tutorials. All of our members get access to brand new, up-to-date tutorials each week, as well as unlimited access to our entire video archive full of Mac and iOS-related tutorials. You can stream and download all of our videos on your Mac, iPad and iPhone, and even your Apple TV using the members-only Screencasts Online Apple TV app. Membership also includes a complimentary subscription to the digital Screencasts Online monthly magazine, published each month and packed with videos, articles, reviews, as well as hints and tips covering all aspects of the Mac, iPad, iPhone, and all of the other fantastic Apple products. So, if you're ready to start getting the most out of your Apple devices, visit screencastsonline.com today and become a Screencasts Online member.